your lips only. Why? Can you please zoom your lips? Why would I do that? For what? How was your day? It's great. It's tiring po. Super tiring day. After market, when we went back home here, my head is aching a little, but it's fine now. It's all good now. English, you need to chill. Your smile so cute. Uy. Hello, Babas. You're done. My heart says boom, boom, boom right now. You make me guys kilig super. Salam. Hello, Gore. Hello, Golden from Sir Don. How is it going? Hi, Don. Hi, Miss. Beautiful. Janice. Siki Sally. Frieza. What's going on? What's going on? Hoy, how's the meeting, Babas? Ha. Hello, Melanie. One love from Jamaica. I thank you. I am from Philippines. Love Jamaica. Love, love. Latik. Hello, Latik. Yeah, Golden is being busy every day now and then. Right? Lalaki po ako. Okay, Janice. Good, good. Started at 9:30, ended at 10:47, and we kept revising until 3 a.m. Ooh, you're welcome. Melanie, thank you. How is you? I'm good. Taganagakita. Ano? Good to hear, man. Good to hear. Hi, Robert. Ilang taon ka na, miss? 27. Ikaw, bata ka pa, no? Hi, Joel. Hello, Taga. Taganaga kita. Taganaga ka? Mamod. Hello, Mamod. You look good. Thank you, Robert. How about you, Babas from Golden? We are adding another landing page on my website. Ooh. Taganaga kita. You. Keno! Hi, Keno! Thank you for coming here. Thank you for coming. Hello, April and Charles. Hello, Keno. Miss you. Thank you for coming. Janeo, good evening. Good evening. I'm good, man. Just woke up not long ago. Oy, perfect timing. Went to bed late working. Hard working. Mamad. You love me? Huh? Janeo. Hi, beautiful. Hello, Durail. You have nice eyes. No. How can you see that? It's dark, actually. Nice eyes. Robert. Shout out, Robert. Miss you too. How are you all? Everyone here is okay and we're fine. It's almost 11 p.m. You getting tired? Hello from Baguio City. Hello po, Kuya Junior. All in